Hi, welcome to Prognozy Capital. Today we will understand the FII market open positions. Let's understand how FII made positions on 5th of October 2023. Once you learn how to decode the FII positions, you will able to predict the market moves. So let's get started. Index performance. Nifty closed positive at 19,545.75, up 109.65 points. Long build-up seen in Nifty with increased OI 14,402 contracts. Nifty options build-ups. Nifty resistance or call option OI build-up at 19,600, with OI increased by 154.97%. Nifty support or put option OI build-up at 19,500, with OI increased by 266.03%. Banknifty closed positive at 44,213.35, up 249.3 points. Short covering seen in Banknifty with decreased OI minus 4,660.2 contracts. Banknifty option buildups. Banknifty resistance or call option OI buildup at 44,400, with OI increased by 298.82%. Banknifty support or put option OI buildup at 44,200, with OI increased by 420.37%. Cash market positions. FII today sold 1,864.2 CR. DII today bought 521.41 CR in cash market. FII futures and option cash positions. FII bought 523.99 CR in index futures. Also sold 69,440.61 CR in index option. They bought 1,501.2 CR in stocks futures. And bought 146.95 CR in stocks option. Net sold 67,268.46 CR in F&O market. FII index futures positions, long and shorts. In index futures, FII added 1716 long contracts and closed 2,201 short contracts. With this, FII is now net short in index with minus 88,311 contracts compared to previous minus 92,228 contracts. FII stocks futures positions, long and shorts. In stocks futures, FII closed 12,121 long contracts and closed 32,963 short contracts. With this, FII is now net short in stocks with minus 217,955 contracts compared to previous minus 238,797 contracts. FII index option positions, long and shorts. Index options, upside direction. In index options, FII closed 165,284 call long and closed 143,603 put shorts. Total call long and put shorts for the day comes to minus 308,887 contracts. Index options, downside direction. In index options, FII closed 256,599 put long and closed 34,286 call shorts. Total put long and call shorts for the day comes to minus 290,885 contracts. FII index option analysis. FII's net put long is 444,995 contracts compared to previous 557,991 contracts. And net call long is 208,274 contracts compared to previous 339,272 contracts. Option build-ups on short side is more than long side suggests that upside is limited. This is how FII created their position in various segments. Check out our market snapshot sheet for detailed position buildups by FII, DII, pros and clients. To get the FII data on daily basis, please join our Telegram channel, search for Prognozy Capital in Telegram. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram for daily updates on FII data. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and please like us and share. Thanks for watching. Bye.